I'm Mrs. Hasty, and today we're going to have fun with three-dimensional shapes. Let's start with a rhyme. 3D shapes are not flat. A cone is like a party hat. A sphere is like a bouncy ball. A prism is like a building tall. A cylinder is like a can of pop. A cube is like the dice you drop. A pyramid you find in Egypt there. 3D shapes are everywhere. Three-dimensional shapes are called three-dimensional because they have length and width, just like a 2D shape, but they also have depth. They have thickness. We say 3D shapes take up space. Just like I take up space and my chair takes up space. I can sit on my chair, but I can't be in my chair, inside it, because we can't take up the same space. Because I and my chair are both three-dimensional. We have thickness. We take up space. We name our 3D shapes by their edges, their vertices, and by their faces. This is a pyramid. It's a square pyramid. We call it a square pyramid because its base side, its face, is the shape of a square. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 edges and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices or points. This is a cube. All of its faces are perfect squares. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 square faces and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. This is a cylinder. A cylinder doesn't have any vertices, but it has 2 circular faces, one on top and one on the bottom. If you turn it on its side, it likes to roll. This is what we call a prism. This is a rectangular prism. We can see that it has a rectangle on top and bottom, and all its sides, faces, are also rectangles. Just like the cube, it has 8 vertices, or points, corners. This is a sphere. Some people mistakenly call this a circle, but a circle is a 2-dimensional shape. A sphere is a 3-dimensional shape. It has depth to it. This sphere has no edges, no faces, and no vertices. This 3-dimensional shape is a cone, kind of like a ice cream cone. A cone has a circular face for its base and 1 vertice on top. These are just a few of the 3-dimensional shapes that we find in our world. I went around my house and I looked for items that are these shapes. Let's see if you can figure out which shape I thought of when I found my items. Let's play Schoolhouse Sort. Are you ready to play Schoolhouse Sort with me? I put some different items in my box. You see if you can tell which three-dimensional shape they're most shaped like. I found a grapefruit. I like grapefruit for breakfast. Which three-dimensional shape does this grapefruit look like? It has no edges, no vertices, and no faces. This is a sphere. Great job. What else did I find? This is my daughter's water bottle. This water bottle has two circular faces, no vertices or edges. When I put it on its side, it rolls. What shape is this? A cylinder. Very good. I have a box of tofu. This box of tofu has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rectangular faces. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. This is a rectangular prism. This candle smells good. Do you know what shape this candle is? It rolls and has two circular faces. This candle is a cylinder. Let's keep looking. What else did I find? This is a little toy train. A little car from the train set. Well, this train has rectangular sides and it has 8 vertices. This looks most like a rectangular prism. A few more things. This is a ball. We could play games with this. No faces, no vertices, no edges. This is a sphere. 3 more things. What shape is this? This is a fun stacking toy, and when it's all stacked, it comes to a point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. The bottom is shaped like a square. Comes up to a point. This is a square pyramid. This one's small, and it's a yummy snack. What's this? This is a bugle, but it has a circular face and 1 vertice. This is a cone. Are you ready to see my last item? We talked about this in our rhyme today. Square faces, 8 vertices. This die is a cube. Great job doing Schoolhouse Sort with me today. I wonder if you can find anything around your house that's shaped like a pyramid, cube, cylinder, prism, sphere, or cone. And don't forget to come back again for more learning fun. Keep learning at home by eating shape snacks and identify which shapes you're eating. Build 2D or 3D shapes with toothpicks and Play-Doh. Go on a walk outside and see how many shapes you can find. And there's always printable resources available at my teacher store at teacherspayteachers.com. Don't forget to subscribe.